Lana, I'm back.
My name's Douglas. I'm from Ohio. My girlfriend Adriana lives in California. It's 1865 and America's focused on manifest destiny. President Ulysses S. Grant asked for volunteers to work on the Transcontinental Railroad going to California. I decided to go as I can make money to marry Adriana from this job. I'm walking to the work site right now. We've made it through most of the country, and in a week or so we are due to reach California.
I can't fall asleep till we have mystery slowly glowing from the shore. I have not felt to be what you'd expect of me.
Oh my god, you're so close to me! Oh my god, you're so close to me! OMG! Hey! Hey. Hey.
Who are you?
Hey! Are you okay? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
No.
Hey, come here. Oh, it hurts. Come here. Ay, nay mo. No!
No, at first when I woke up, I thought I died.
Why?
Because I woke up and saw
And you
you
were sick,
like you. I
best was
thought I
all
was
he
in
had
heaven.
to say when pressed about the rest of it, the world that is.
Before I go, I need to know your name.
From Proto-Sanskrit Minuins to
Nice to
Proto-centric
meet you. Nice to
Lisbons,
meet you
Greek
too. Thanks
Cypriots,
for
and
fixing me up.
Habesats,
Glad I have to
and
get back to work.
Ports
So
of
Okay.
come visit me
Take
sometime.
care. Bye.
But here's the thing, start getting weird, watching this man with scratched the bits of home. To the mines, the sharpen axes, brush up on the Uralic syntaxes. Love of hate, axes and axes, love of hate, axes and axes, oh. There's the wanes and then
Lana, is it really you? Yes. Let's go.
So many people all around the world. Tell me, where do I find someone like you, girl? Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Give me your hand before I'm old. Show me what lovers haven't got a clue. Show me that wonders can't be true. They say nothing lasts forever. We're only here today. Lovers now or never. Bring me far away. Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Give me your hand and hold me. Show me what love is. Be my guiding star. It's easy. Take me to your heart.
My time with Lenmana was limited. I knew I was due to leave the area soon. It breaks my heart to have to leave her, but my Adriana is waiting for me in California. I have to do the right thing and continue with what I was originally doing.
It's all you know.
I'm sorry, Lenmana.
It's not below us.
Douglas!
No can go
Douglas?
on, and that I
Douglas?
regret.
He left me.
Clear, all too soft for sound.
California! Adriana! I'm here! Adriana! Douglas, what are you doing here? I told you I'd call. I miss you so much. Wait. Hey. Who is he? No one. What's going on? He's no one. Let's get back. Who are you? Who is this? Adriana! I told you I'd come! I told her I'd come, and she said she'd wait, but she moved on. I traveled across the country for her. I left Lynn Manor for her. Lynn Manor!
Is all you know.
Lynn Manor, I'm coming back. I'm coming back to you.